100 ways to transform digital marketing with AI and automation. Today, I'm gonna share with you a trick of personalized industry news clipping using ChatGPT. Whether it's on Twitter or Facebook or TikTok, a large amount of information is presented through personalized recommendations, making it increasingly difficult to see the content we care about or the person we follow. We may have missed the news we care about each day. One possible solution is to have a personal assistant to compile and send key updates and news. However, this often means a significant amount of manual effort and additional expenses. Now, GPT can be your personal assistant, automatically providing daily updates on the industry news you subscribe to. By using ChatGPT Plus with the Webpilot plugin, we can enable ChatGPT to browse the internet and find news articles. We can tell GPT the areas we want to focus on and have ChatGPT summarize the key points of the news, sending them to our email or Notion. In this way, we can ensure that we won't miss any important information. How to do it? Now let's get started. Firstly, you need to have a ChatGPT Plus account to start with. Open a new conversation in your ChatGPT Plus account, select the GPT-4 model, and find the Webpilot and Zapier plugins in the plugin store. Webpilot allows ChatGPT to browse the web, while Zapier acts as a connector, enabling GPT to save news summaries directly to note-taking tools like Notion, Evernote, or send them through email or Slack messages. Open the Zapier plugin and configure it upfront. Make sure to connect your Notion account and select the action of Create Notion page. You can also set up the action to send emails by linking to your Gmail or Outlook account. In the ChatGPT conversation interface, input the prompt that instructs GPT to search for news, summarize it, and save the results to a folder or send them via email. For example, what are the major news in the financing industry in America today? You can certainly replace the topic or the industry or the location or the time period in this prompt. And then, please summarize the news and save the summary with news link to my Notion, or Evernote, or OneNote, or OneDrive, or send email. The second sentence will trigger action in Zapier to let GPT connect to your app or tools to send over the result. After a few seconds, GPT will prepare the news summary and allow you to review it before sending it to a note-taking platform. Now, before you start your work in the morning, you can enjoy the industry briefing handpicked by GPT. Try it out. If you like digital marketing, AI, and automation, subscribe to my channel to get more updates on it. That's all for today. I'll see you in next video.